Taking a look at our schematics, the top of our project measures a total length of 26 inches and a total width of 13 inches. This is then listed as 3/4 of an inch thick. My remaining material is 64 inches in length by 6 inches in width. If I cut to an oversized measurement, 2 pieces at 26.5, because these are only 6 inches wide, at max, that will yield me 12 inches in width. That's without cleaning them up. So I still need an additional 26-inch long piece by at least probably a couple inches to add on to this to give me more than my required measurement for the top. Now I did find one additional smaller board. This board measures 27 inches in length, and although I have a couple areas that don't look very good, I should be able to easily get 2 to 3 inches in width out of that board. Between this material, I should be able to get 3 pieces that are more than 26 inches long and have enough width to get more than 13 inches wide.